Five forks on that one.
Compact used to be fully part of the tractor.
Here we are with Levi from GTT,
So, but
checking out the new 2 Series.
From the average day.
38. 2038.
2038R.
Yep.
It's quite a bit larger than I would have thought from the pictures. Here we are, Levi standing next to it.
The 5 is kind of like.
I mean, it's not the same tire as the 2720, but they're very similar in size. So this is a taller machine. The same quick attach loader. Slight redesign from the 200CX.
I like it.
I really like that flat floor. It's got a very low hump on it.
Yeah,
And the dash is much like a 3 Series. The tilt wheel. Is that seat slid forward, or I mean, how's the room on that, Levi?
There's forward.
What do you think? Will a larger man fit on that with ease?
I'm 215 pounds.
What's your height?
6 feet.
6 feet?
That's what's this up and bring it down.
With it slid all the way back, I mean, how are you reaching the pedals?
Right there.
So a taller guy would be comfortable on this tractor, you think?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
There's your engine oil dipstick. Hydraulic quick disconnects for the loader. In fact, it looks like the oil filter for the engine right there. Pop the hood on this guy, huh? And we'll tilt the...
Figure out how to do it.
It's in here.
Oh, here it is. Yep. There you go.
Oh, it's
Oh
got
boy.
shocks.
Look at that. Where's the engine? Hey, it's got a cute little turbo.
Yep.
Yeah, the motor's somewhat buried down in there.
Yeah, that'd be there you go.
Hey, that's nice. The side panel comes right off.
Yeah.
No tools.
I like this.
Here we go.
Need a couple of them for my tractor.
And there's the turbo.
Man, look at that.
Yeah, that's a big exhaust after treatment there, isn't it?
Yeah. Now they're saying it's what, 42 horse?
38. But I believe it's less at the PTO. I bet you it's more like 35. Clearly it's got the R4 tires, the industrial tires. There was a question.
They're not wider though.
So there's the fuel filter on the bottom left of the engine here.
Yep.
Still, and there's a drain on the bottom.
Water gauge.
Let's look underneath.
Yeah, look at that.
There's oil filter right in front of the left rear tire.
I don't think
Just
that's all
tucked
that
inside.
bad as far as the height of the rear end.
No, it's got really good ground clearance. And John Deere's rear or behind the axle steering. A nice built-in step. A lot of 2 Series owners would give their left arm for that left step right there.
Yeah. Look at the tongue on the back. The hitch.
The drawbar. Oh wow, that is considerably bigger. Your PTO. Transmission dipstick is really easy to get to. And we have a real suspension seat.